Means of transport. We all need to go to different places for different work. Sometimes these places are far away. To go to these places, we use some means of transport. There are different means of transport: land, water, and air. Land transport. Animal-powered transport. Some carts are pulled by animals. Example of such carts are bullock cart, camel cart, tonga, etc. People travel and carry goods to faraway places by these means. These carts are used in villages and small towns. Human-powered transport. Some means of transport are driven by human power. Such vehicles are bicycle, rickshaw, hand barrow, etc. Fuel-powered transport. Some vehicles are driven with the help of fuels such as petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) and compressed natural gas (CNG). Scooter, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, car, bus, truck, etc. are fuel-powered means of transport. All these vehicles have an engine. Such vehicles are fast-moving vehicles. Journey by such vehicles is comfortable as well as convenient. A train runs on diesel or electricity. There are many compartments in a train. It can carry large number of people at a time. We can travel long distances by it. This is the cheapest mode of transport on land to cover long distances in a short time. Do you know? India's first train ran from Bombay to Thane on April 16, 1853. Electricity or battery-operated transport. There are e-rickshaws which run on battery power and help us to travel fast in local areas. The train also runs on high-voltage electric power. For example, in large cities like Delhi and Kolkata, we have metro trains for local transport. Water transport. Some people live near rivers, lakes, or seas and use water transport. Boats and rafts sail in rivers, lakes, etc. The fishermen use boats to catch fish from the rivers, lakes, or seas. Later, diesel engines were attached to the big boats or ships. These ships are used to carry passengers and goods. There are also some huge ships running on big diesel-powered engines. These ships carry passengers and goods from one country to another through oceans and seas. These ships are passenger liners, cargo ships, oil tankers, etc. Extra byte. Delhi Metro network consists of total of more than 314 trains covering a distance of more than 69,000 kilometers every day. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Helicopters, aeroplanes, Jet planes, rockets, etc. are important means of air transport. It needs a runway to take off and land. Helicopters are smaller in size. They are mostly used in hilly, desert, and snow-covered areas. Aeroplanes are used to reach distant places quickly. An aeroplane can carry hundreds of passengers and goods at a time. Rockets are the fastest means of transport. They can take men and machinery into space. Rockets are used to send men into space to study other planets like Mars, etc. Amazing fact! India's first rocket was brought on a bicycle and launched from the church in Tumpa, Thiruvananthapuram.